Little clean tush. Them turkeys. Doggone it.
Cat boys plumbing. Did you say man girth?
New guy cries.
Desperate times, man.
I'll make a plumber out of you yet. Them tricky sons of guns. 5 stars.
Better than expected, that's all.
Stick around, there's more tricks where that came from. Good morning. It is frigid out. Is it frigid out?
It is frigid out.
Yeah, so we got a job today. And it's Monday, so we're super excited. Right, Joel? He says right. So, here we go. Well, so far on this beautiful morning, I had a dead battery. That was pretty awesome. Left my lights on Friday. I need to take that car down to Isaac, fix my brakes. I almost flew out in front of that car that was coming. Forgot my brakes didn't work. I don't feel like doing anything today.
I get the feeling a little bit. It's when you're sick. That's what it is. I'm feeling better though.
So today we have basement bathroom. We're gonna be cutting concrete. It's a good thing to do when you're sick.
Sounds great.
Stop looking at it.
I was looking at you.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was. It's a stupid conversation. I looked right at you. It looks about the same because it's on your head.
All right. Guess we better do it, huh? Like we got what we need. Come on. You just shut. $7:42. Out of the blue. So no pain on the foot?
Not at all.
That's good.
Yep.
See how you feel by the end of the day.
That check engine light should say check exhaust light.
Morning. Yes, please. Alrighty. Thank you. Sweet. Let's go bust it up. You know what I'm saying?
Sure. Bring on the poop.
That's so ridiculous.
Is it not embarrassing for you that as a plumbing company we have no indoor plumbing at our shop?
Slightly.
I was just curious.
You referring to your experience on Friday?
Yep.
You want to tell me about it?
Sure. Desperate times, man. Desperate times. I'd make 2 steps and then I was like, oh, gotta hold it. Or I was so close to pooping my pants. I had to get the old poop bucket out.
Drop a bobber?
I had to, yeah, drop a bobber. The cleanup was the worst part. It's that Mrs. J's always hits me hard. I don't know why. There it goes. I knew it.
What a nightmare. Dude. Morning.
Oh, good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
You on YouTube?
Yeah, I film my work. Is that okay?
Oh, yeah, I don't care.
You mind?
No, it's totally fine.
Okay. I'll move it over here.
Okay, that's fine.
You're a little sketchy in that thing.
Manual transmission?
Yeah. He drives a stick too. I don't get it. He can't back it up.
I can back my car up just fine. I don't know what it is about this truck. I'm blaming the truck.
Nothing wrong with the truck, dude. Good, Matt?
Yeah, I would say that's good.
Yeah. How was the cruise?
It was good. It wasn't as warm as we had hoped, but we had a good time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. You go on the cruise for the food?
Yeah. The food and the entertainment, and the entertainment was pretty good.
Yeah?
Or you go on them to get away from the kids for a little while.
There you go.
That's part of it.
What's that?
He was stopping to get lumber on the way.
Okay.
Is that us?
Yeah, that's us. There's. I must have plugged in the carbon monoxide
Oh,
thing.
I tried to throw that away, but I knew you would.
Where is it?
I don't. It's yeah. I was gonna throw it away, but I knew you would.
You married?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll figure this out.
Shut up. I didn't throw it away. Give me a break.
Okay.
I was close, man.
All right. By the way, Isaac's filming us, so don't wear anything too provocative.
There. Open.
Pretty much what we're going to focus on today is cutting the concrete up, getting the drains where we need to get them, and then, you know, putting the concrete back in. We're going to have the toilet right under the window, sink over here, and shower back here. So all of this is going to go away. Rip out all this pipe, old washer hookup, tub. Stack we gotta kind of keep because it's catching some drains, which isn't really kosher, but probably cut a big square here. Get in and make a mess. Get out, call it a day. Oh, you want to unhook this sink? There's a bidet on that toilet.
Is the bidet on the phone?
If you want to try it out.
I'm good.
Why? See, I bet it's one of those things that you'd try it and like, if you got one, you'd never go back. Little clean tush, you know what I'm saying? Fixed it.
Was it not closed all the way? Oh. My bad.
See this?
Yeah.
Straight muscle.
Okay.
No, it's okay if it drips some.
I'm gonna go use that real quick.
Try it out. Do it if you're bad.
I don't need one.
You might. From here down, all that, pull it off, get it out of here.
Okay. Cool.
We would use this blank.
Especially for that. But this other one, I'm not sure.
That makes sense.
A 3-foot wash. Door in here.
You guys want this utility sink?
You want this?
No. How's the bidet?
I didn't use it.
You like it?
Sure.
Yeah, I'll probably make a hole like this once. Well, we gotta get it. We're gonna have to bust out here and here, but
Bunks over here.
it's gonna change a little bit depending which way the pipe goes.
We have lights. 4 lights on.
There's water sitting in there, so I think there's a trap on that one too.
Okay.
You see the water?
Yeah.
So I don't know. We'll see, I guess, but.
Space-wise, that's what this.
Do we make it wetter at all, or?
It's supposed to suck it up, suck up the dust.
Yeah. Okie dokie.
Usually works all right.
Alright, cool.
It still gets a little dusty. That was fast. popped the breaker already. Get to it. Hey, looky there. Looks like a no hub. It doesn't come in how we thought. So this is what we're dealing with. Never know what you'll find.
No, you don't.
Not what I expected.
No.
That's okay. You like that?
Yeah.
I'm thinking something like this. What we're gonna do. Kind of funky, but I'm trying not to cut out very much. Nice. We got this edge we can work on. Yeah. So that thing cools down a little bit. Yeah. Bring on the poop. Alright, back to the saw, I guess. Really? We need a dust break. So one time we were cutting concrete in the basement with a gas saw.
Oh, one of the...
Super nice, but we didn't really have like fans or any ventilation set up.
You guys get...
So we started getting lightheaded.
Yeah.
And we went out, took a break, and I'm like, all right, we're good. Went back in. He smoked a cigarette. We went back in, cut more. Had another break, cut more. I went and got some masks, came back, kept cutting. Dude, we got messed up by the fumes.
Yeah, that's not a good idea.
At one point, he like laid down in the basement, and like I had to like come wake him up.
That's not good.
I was like, yeah, that was dumb, for sure.
What's
We
he
ended up both going to the hospital to get oxygen that evening. There's just no good way to cut concrete in the basement that I know of.
Oh, the electric one.
It just pops the breaker all day long.
Yeah, you're dealing with that. The gas one, you're like trying to kill yourself.
I didn't even
cross your mind.
It didn't really cross our minds at first, and then like it did eventually, but like
like you're getting lightheaded and it didn't even cross your mind.
Yeah, I had a headache, and then I went home and I started throwing up. Like, it was bad.
And that was when it became clear what you were doing.
Eventually, I called my boss and I was just like, hey, we're leaving. Like, we feel like crap. I know the job's not done, but we can't finish. Not today. At this point, the concrete saw is hardly doing anything for us. I'll just get a jackhammer. Oh, look at that man work. What? Nothing.
What about this man?
The chancho in his natural habitat.
Stop making me laugh when I'm trying to swing a sledgehammer. Did you say man girth? What did you say?
Man girth?
I don't know, you said look at all that man something.
As long as you remember, it's by the job, not by the hour.
His head feels kind of loose.
Oh, better move out of this.
Wait, both. Hang on a minute.
Didn't you think this head felt kind of loose?
Maybe. We're running out of buckets, man. Where are we gonna put all this?
It's a good question. Should probably dig up and make sure we're all still on course.
Find the pipe.
Find the pipe. Uh-oh. We may have been miffed. What if it goes straight this way?
That's pipe.
Does go that way, doesn't it? Them tricky sons of guns. So many things that we didn't bring today that we should have brought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Disappointed in you.
Well, we thought we were almost done.
You just got plenty of room to work with.
Yeah.
That's
Workspace. I like it.
Never a bad thing.
Yeah. Onward, Christian soldier. Good enough for the girls I go out with. Which is actually doubled.
What?
Is actually doubled.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There's now two.
It's not too. Yep.
Pretty cool.
Sure.
Pretty freaking cool. I'm hoping the rest will fit in these last 4 buckets. If not, I guess we'll dump another tote. Every time I rent that saw, I think it's gonna work better than it does. Once it turn, I'm gonna be real disappointed. That thing turns. Doggone it. Them turkeys.
Yeah.
I want to bust this pipe out and look down the tube. Make sure it doesn't frickin' turn again on us. With our luck, it'll jog again right away. And do something dumb. right, we might actually run some pipe here in another couple hours.
It's nice, workable space.
Strategically placed work area.
Workspace.
Yeah. It would be wonderful if we could get the bandsaw in there, but I don't think it's gonna happen. You know, we love that bandsaw.
How's this going?
Not quite what we expected, but it's gonna do it.
Better than expected. That's awesome.
Just what I said.
Okay.
No, it's good. We thought it was gonna go one way, and then we thought it was gonna go the other way, and then it did neither one. So
Neither one.
it's kind of the guessing game. So.
What did it do?
Well, it came this way and then it turned on us. Went back that way. Originally I thought it was gonna go straight, come straight back through here, so we cut that, and then we found that it turned. So I thought, oh well, it'd probably go straight that way. Then we cut out to there. Well,
Don't do that
it
either.
turns there. So
Okay.
it's just how it's going. But we got it now.
Okay.
We'll cut it off and we'll go from there. I might send you to Lowe's quick. Get some concrete and a 3-inch Y.
Is there anything else you need out of the truck before I leave?
No. Probably, but no.
Alright.
I'll probably need it as soon as you're gone. Whatever it is.
That is where our I'm trying to make things.
Some goodies for you down here.
It's not plastic, is it?
No, it's not.
I thought
It's cast iron.
you didn't want that either, did you?
Oh, I knew it wasn't going to be plastic. These roots down here kind of blow me away. We're like 6 feet down, 8 feet down from grade outside. Yet there's still roots down here. Crazy. James is an old soul. He's the contractor that we're working with here. He's old school. Doesn't even have an email. Hand writes everything. But he's a good dude. Knows his stuff. So after lunch, just gotta connect some pipes. Not the prettiest cut ever, but it's in there. So almost 1 o'clock. Gonna eat some lunch.
I made it. Made it up the hill.
Heard you revving it up out there.
Without stalling.
What?
You could hear it?
Yeah. The truck's getting really loud.
The truck is getting real loud.
Microwave. You're welcome to use it.
May I?
Yes?
Absolutely.
There's,
Right there in
one
front of you.
there.
They invited me to sit with
That is fancy.
That is
My
fancy.
word.
You can twist that. There you go. Look at that. She had to be in Worcester for some reason.
Man, that is how you know that you are a true carpenter right there.
What?
You made your own
Yeah.
drill case, and you probably had it for 30 years.
Not that many yet.
That's cool.
I got.
That is cool.
Alright, yeah.
Yep. Might as well. It ain't gonna run itself. How's your foot?
Fine.
Don't feel it at all?
That might be a bad start.
2 by 1.5 Y. 2-inch 45, 2-inch trap. 2.5-inch 90s. Got all that? Well, shoot.
I'm sorry. Not the way I wanted it.
Very smooth. $50.
I would love to.
We're out.
Yeah. There you go.
Cool. Well,
I'm pretty sure we only had that one piece. I could go look again, but I don't. I'm usually right about that.
yeah, I know you are. Why don't you say that slower for the camera?
When
I'm usually right.
When I'm down here and I'm saying that that's all the pipe we have, I'm usually right about the amount of pipe that.
Why don't you just say it slower for the camera?
Possible option will be 27.5.
He says,
I
I'm
thought
usually right.
I thought they were longer. No, about pipe we bring, yes. I stand by it. Pipe we bring, yes. Oh, see, that's almost perfect. 27.5. I'll just go cut that out.
I mean, you're usually right, so.
I caught myself walking down the steps like weird earlier.
I've seen you do that. Walk funny.
Oh, I'm a good looker. I don't know what you're talking about.
Here, let me show you a trick.
Show me your trick. Or is that my trick?
That's your trick. See how easy it is? Don't I make it look so easy? I guess you could just do that too. That works.
Just slam it completely on.
Yeah.
And then move it back.
The bigger sizes, you gotta like roll them inside out.
Okay.
I made it look real easy though.
Yeah, for sure.
Stick around, there's more tricks where that came from.
Do they all look that easy?
Yeah. I'll make a plumber out of you yet. Wait till I teach you how to strap down pipe. How to park the truck with the lights on.
Fill the battery. I've been learning all sorts of new things.
I don't think you want to learn some of that.
What other things am I really good at? Using tape measures.
Oh, bringing all the stuff you need.
Yeah, forgetting stuff at the shop. I'm pretty good at that.
Sending me to buy stuff I don't need to. That's a new one today.
Won't be the last. Oh man, where did I put my cutter? Where did Joel put my cutter? Yeah, I'm good at that too.
Something you just Something you just had. It can't be too far away.
It's gotta be close by.
I probably stole it.
Is it up at the truck?
It's possible. That was my bad. I got it.
Guess it can be far away.
I guess so.
It was right on the tailgate.
Oh, that's a good place for it.
Yep. You're welcome.
It wouldn't, not hidden that way.
Looks good.
Good enough for temporary.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Oh,
Is your foot hurt?
I don't know. I haven't decided yet.
What do you think? Look like it'll work?
Looks okay to me.
That's what I think. Don't you just wonder why I didn't run one pipe back there?
Well, you still had to be connected to that.
Why didn't I just run a bigger one? James is
I
wondering.
was wondering, yeah.
So the toilet, the shower, and the sink is considered a bathroom group. So that can all be vented off of one pipe here. In order to vent it off of one pipe, I have to tie this other pipe in before the bathroom group, which is back here.
Okay.
Otherwise, I would have to individually vent each fixture. And each one would have to have a pipe coming up off of it to vent it. Per code.
Okay.
What we'll do with this one is we'll come up T across for the sink, but then we'll take it up above. There's no vent to tie into. We'll probably just put a mechanical vent up in the floor joist space there, just because there's nothing to go off of. But then that'll vent this whole bathroom. Quick, cover it up before he sees it.
Oh, there's the plumb.
Now maybe he does want to see it before we cover it up.
I want to see it covered up.
Well, come on in.
And I'll tell you, as convenient as it is to go to Lowe's, it sure is not pleasant.
You're telling me. They say Lowe's for pros, but I like to say Lowe's for schmoes.
Lowe's for schmoes.
Yeah.
Well, we don't have another option here, you know? We can't really...
It is pretty handy.
I'm gonna take a picture of
Doesn't
this.
hurt to take a picture.
I'll send it to my son if nothing else. He'll be like, oh yeah, Dad, I see it all the time. Give me a break.
Forgot my tamper. Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to use your head instead. Your I'm usually right head. You're funny, Joel. You're funny.
Said
You're freaking
about
funny,
the
dude.
amount of pipe that we brought. We done with the totes or not?
I think we're gonna fill one up with dirt. Apparently we should have brought a dump truck today.
Apparently.
I want to get that out of here before we start pouring. You ever seen the videos where they tell the new guy to hold the bag of concrete above their head, then come up behind them or they tell them, I bet you can't hold the concrete above and just whoosh.
That's mean.
That's funny. It is really mean, but it's also funny. Hey Joel,
Yeah.
I bet you can't lift one of those above your head.
I know I could, but I'm not going to.
I don't think you can.
I don't think so either.
Okay.
We need video proof.
You guys are welcome to think whatever you want.
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
That's just something else too. That's some nice hair there.
What color is it? Oh, it might be mine.
Can you press the button when I get it lined up? We can do it together. We can sing Kumbaya. Okay, go. Nailed it. What do you say about that?
Nice.
No.
Bring on the poop.
What? What are you saying?
You're the worst.
Alright, I'm gonna turn the water on. Stand over there. Let's pour some concrete. I think James would have been good at this. He's just wondering if he's ever gonna get this 2x4 back.
I don't know if I want it. Now.
We could probably hose it down. I don't know what we're gonna do with the rest of that concrete.
Looks like we gotta bust up some more concrete. Just get rid of this.
I'm good.
I'm good too.
Maybe you can patch drywall with it.
Let's hear it. Work too good for that.
Just the first coat.
I should stop touching it. Let it get hard. And we can groom it. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do with that, but put it back in the bags and see if we can return it, I guess.
I like it. I like it.
The crazy thing is I think they'd probably take it.
Where'd it come
They wouldn't notice.
Where did it come from?
Lowe's.
Yeah, they probably wouldn't. They might not know. But
It's amazing, after all that, we still have empty buckets.
yeah, I don't know how you can have an empty bucket.
You should see the truck, I guess.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff just dumped into the pipe.
You had enough.
We had enough.
300 bags in the truck.
Rather have it that way.
Are you gonna get everything else done in one day?
Yeah. Yeah.
And new stuff goes a lot faster.
Should be pretty easy.
Yeah.
I hope so. I scheduled another job for the afternoon, so
Oh, you did.
I think that might be a little ambitious, but we'll definitely get this one done.
Oh, grow light.
It was a grow light though. Yeah, we had a. That's how we pay for all this. We were some extra high cash profit.
I was just thinking, when you said grow light, that went through my mind right away.
Don't step in there.
Oh, I leave my footprint there.
Oh boy. Nice to put all the light stuff in the front. This little truck's gonna squat, dude. There. Look at this poor baby squat.
It's like an overflow drain that just comes from inside of this.
In case you sweat too much, or
People, you throw water on them.
you ever used it?
Nope.
No.
Use the sauna, yes.
Oh.
Use the overflow drain, no. Not even close.
Could have waited a little longer. Just keep in mind we're plumbers, not concreters. And then you'll think, wow, this is great.
That's what I was thinking already.
Oh, okay.
That looks pretty smooth.
I didn't. I was wondering how many concrete jobs you do. Maybe that's your on the side job.
Well, It's just like Joel said. Patchwork just never turns out good.
That's kind of true.
Well, there it is then.
Somewhat pretty.
Somewhat pretty.
You know what this is?
Solvent cement.
He's quick, man. He's quick.
What's it for?
Yeah, what is it used for?
It's glue, I think. PVC glue?
Low VOC.
It's great.
I think it's conduit glue.
Conduit glue.
Yeah.
Oh, that like gray pipe.
For gray pipe.
Gray PVC, yeah.
It's kind of stiff, too.
It's really strong.
It's trash is what it is.
That's what I was thinking.
Good until the next time.
You know what this is from?
They use that
Easy money,
to the house.
as they say.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do they say?
That's the only thing that makes sense.
Easy
to me.
money.
No. What
Victory
do they,
style.
What do they say?
Bring on the poop.
Bring on the poop.
That poor truck. Holy cow. Dude, it's really coming. Do it. Be good for the channel. New guy cries.
We forgot it. Oh, here.
I'm just like, what's going on? He's giggling. I'm like, he knows something I don't.
Well, I didn't at first, and then I saw his face peeking through, and I thought, okay, I think he did something.
I couldn't get the door open.
Hey, you got it all back then, didn't you?
I'm not sure the truck really likes it, but
Yeah.
it'll ride.
New guy cries. Is that snow falling or tears falling?
They're nice people.
Yeah, I like them.
I think we got this thing about maxed right now.
A lot of weight back there.
A lot of weight up here.
It's weird to say about yourself.
It's a combination. We should change the name to Fat Boys Plumbing.
Fat Boys Plumbing. That could be the YouTube channel.
Kind of like it.
Fat Boys Plumbing.
Hey, you really hate snow, don't you?
I do.
You are like the literal Grinch.
I hate snow and
You hate Christmas.
I don't hate Christmas.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Hate Christmas music.
I do hate Christmas music, but I don't hate Christmas.
It's one and the same.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Not at all.
Very much so. Well, that was a far cry from my...
I forgot to open this.
It's Monday after being sick and I don't feel like doing anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Whatever.
I'm Joel, I don't care. Yeah, sure. Sounds good. Later. Owl Tater. Your life is over. Christmas is coming.
I don't hate Christmas.
Sorry for you. See ya. See ya. Look at me, I'm the Grinch.
Oh no.
Out of here.